look at this.
The critical point here is the integration of the MLRS pod with the standard
6x6 chassis.
We have visual on the undercarriage.
Acknowledged, maintain position, and analyze the structure.
Maintaining steady course despite the heavy swell, Captain.
Good work. The dynamic positioning is fully compensating.
Ease on port side. Hold starboard.
We are out! Let's move out!
Secure the forward starboard line now. Watch the swell.
It's tight, boss.
Double check the tensioners.
How's the flow rate looking? Holding strong at capacity. Looks like we're gaining on it.
Check the torque on the stabilization jacks.
Reading 95% on the forward left.
We have some corrosion near the housing unit.
What about this section near the coupling? Is that within tolerance?
Yes, the readings are stable. Structural integrity is confirmed.
Look at this cracking on the wiring.
Yeah, the hydraulics are definitely seized. The guides took a beating, but the pod itself seems okay.
Alarms are active. Maintain suppression posture. Wait for the order. Make sure we get the serial numbers on the chassis.
We've logged the coordinates and the extent of the thermal damage.
She's battered, but the bones are good.
All right, that's so.
Final descent. Check your alignment. Solid copy. Load is secure.
Ensure the blocks are flush against the tire and the deck.
Solid on this side. Securing the straps now.
We have a critical vibration spike. Alert status red.
I see it. Moving to inspect the forward restraints.
All right, easy descent now. We are clear of the markers. Hold it, hold it. And stop.
We need to align the new targeting system before the power-up sequence.
Roger that. Make sure the legacy wiring is properly insulated.
We're clear of the forward mounts now.
All right, maintain pressure. Let's inspect the corrosion.
Looks like the fire control module initialized correctly.
Confirmed. The system is fully upgraded.
The pressure gauge is stabilized now.
Good. Let's secure the seat frame.
We need detailed shots of these scars for the archive.
Yeah, marking this one as combat history verified.
The torque on the auxiliary manifold is within specs now.
Good. The software update should align the targeting system.
Let's verify the voltage at junction 7.
Drivetrain held steady through the crest.
Articulation looks good. Record that for the report.
All clear, driver. Proceed to base.
She's fueled and ready for deployment.
All right, log the inspection complete.